Hello everyone, today we're gonna look at a LeetCode problem called missing number. It given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range and 0 to n, returning only number in the range that is missing from the array. Okay, so as an example, if we are given 301, we can see that obviously 2 is missing. Because the largest number in the array is 3, and we don't have 2 inside of it. So we're gonna return 2. For example 2, we had an array like this, and we had 0, 1. Since 2 is the largest possible number, so we return 2. And for the example 3, we have kind of large array, and it's the same idea. So given this array, we return 8 because we know that all of numbers are going to be between 0 and 9, and 8 is the only number that is missing from it. Okay, and we also have a follow-up as a side note. Could you implement a solution using only all of one extra space complexity and all of n runtime complexity? Okay, so they want to know if we can actually solve it using constant extra space. So the idea is that because we were told that the numbers like 0 up to n without any duplicates, so we just could really take advantage of this given condition, right? And there's a concept called Gauss summation. And so here is a formula that we could use to count up the sum of everything, like the natural sum of numbers from 1 up until n. So it's gonna to be like n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Yeah, so following that kind of logic, we can basically sum all the numbers up from 0 to n, and we know this total sum will always be the greater, and then we subtract the sum of the input numbers. So difference is the number that will be missing. Okay, so it doesn't probably doesn't sound quite make sense yet. So let's just kind of like walk through it. Let me make it bigger. All right. Okay. First of all, we'll have something called a size, and we will set that to the length of the nums. Okay. We'll just grab the size. Okay. So we don't have to keep typing this over and over, and you will see it. Then now let's get the total sum. Let's call it total sum. And this will be, let's see. All right, the size times size plus 1. And we're gonna wrap it with parentheses. And we gotta be careful. And divide by 2. Great. So at the end, we could just return total sum minus sum nums. Okay, so after doing this, we'll get the missing number, and we could test it out by running the code. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, good. So this works, and this will be all of one space. And there we go. Thank you for watching.